Welcome to the Mint Report, a wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Subbarao says controlling inflation will mean slightly lower growth. Shares of both tech Mahindra and Satyam fall. And markets break a 4-day losing streak on Thursday. Lower inflation could also mean lower growth. On Thursday, RBI Governor D. Subbarao laid out the trade-off he believes is inevitable as the country tries to tame stubbornly high inflation. Subbarao is defending RBI's hawkish monetary stance, saying inflation still remained high. He added that a little sacrifice in growth was unavoidable. Wholesale inflation in India stood at 6.87% in July, far above RBI's comfort level of 5 to 6%. Monsoons have been better than most people expected over the last week. Rains were 6% above average in the week to the 29th. It was the first time this year that monsoons exceeded the normal average. The previous week, rains were 2% below the normal. Moving on, it was a bad day for both tech Mahindra and its unit Mahindra Satyam. Shares of both companies fell on Thursday, albeit for different reasons. Tech Mahindra dropped 5.2% on the BSE to close at 792. The losses came after reports that the BT Group was selling off some of its 23% stake in the company. This happened despite the fact that BT was widely expected to offload some of its stake. BT is also a major client of tech Mahindra. Meanwhile, Mahindra Satyam also declined. The stock tumbled nearly 2% by the end of the trade, even as wider markets rose. This came on the heels of reports that a legal settlement Satyam made in the US last year was taxable in India. Satyam has settled a $125 million class action lawsuit back in February of 2011. And finally, while the two IT companies lost ground, Indian markets rose, breaking a 4-day losing streak. The Sensex gained 51 points to 17,542. And the Nifty went up 27 to 5,315. Lenders that had seen their shares fall in previous sessions were among the day's winners. HDFC Bank went up nearly 1% to 595, and State Bank of India gained 0.6% to 1,840 rupees and 25 paise. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.